Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record a video on DJI Osmo 360. To record a video, first of all make sure that a correct mode was selected, so either a 360 or single lens video. Now I'm in the 360 panoramic video, and then to start recording simply either tap on the screen. No, it doesn't. Okay, so it's only one way, with the circular button. Now it has started recording. Of course I can slide across the screen because it's in the 360 mode, so whatever I do, everything gets recorded, right? And if you want to finish, simply click on the circular button again, and now the recording was finished. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.